Have you ever wondered how to buy a car directly from an insurance company, possibly saving thousands of dollars? Whether you're searching for a budget-friendly vehicle, a project car to restore, or even a lightly damaged car with potential resale value, purchasing from an insurance auction might be the perfect solution. In this video, we'll walk you through the 5 easy steps to successfully buying a car from an insurance company, covering everything from finding the right auction to handling paperwork and vehicle repairs. Make a quick beeline to autoinsurance.org and save significantly on your premium today. To get started, just enter your zip code in our free quote tool, answer a few prompts, and easily access your options. Stay tuned to learn how you can score a great deal. Step 1. Research auto insurance auctions. The first step is researching insurance auto auctions, which sell salvage, totaled, or recovered theft vehicles at significantly discounted prices. Popular platforms like Copart, IAA, and Auto Auction Mall cater to licensed dealers and public buyers, though some may require a broker service for non-dealers. Before choosing a platform, read customer reviews, compare platform fees, and check their bidding rules to avoid unexpected costs. Additionally, verify whether the auction site offers vehicles in your state and whether they provide vehicle inspection reports. Step 2. Register for an auction. Once you've chosen an auction platform, you must create an account, provide identification, and pay a registration fee to start bidding. Some auctions require a refundable security deposit, determining your maximum bidding limit. If the platform requires a dealer's license, you may need to apply for one or work with a licensed broker who can bid on your behalf. Review the auction rules, payment deadlines, and hidden fees before registering. Finding the perfect auto insurance policy is simple with autoinsurance.org. Just enter your zip code, browse customized quotes from top-rated insurers, and secure the best coverage at a price that works for you. Step 3. Find a suitable vehicle. After registration, browse auction listings and filter by make, model, year, mileage, and damage severity to find the best vehicle that suits your needs. Check the vehicle's history report using services like Carfax, AutoCheck, or the National Insurance Crime Bureau to look for previous accidents, flood damage, or theft records. Research the estimated repair costs and resale value by comparing similar vehicles on Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds. If you're unsure about a car's condition, consider hiring a professional mechanic or inspector to assess potential repair work. Step 4. Place your bid. Before bidding, research the market value of similar vehicles to avoid overpaying. Auctions move quickly, so set a maximum budget and stick to it to avoid getting caught up in a bidding war. Some platforms offer pre-bid options, buy now prices, or minimum reserve prices, which may impact how much you need to bid. If you win, be prepared to pay the full amount immediately, as most auctions have strict payment deadlines and may charge late fees. Step 5. Secure insurance and transportation. Once you've won the auction, you must obtain insurance and arrange transportation for your new vehicle. Most insurance companies only offer liability coverage for salvage vehicles, while full coverage is typically only available after the car has been repaired and inspected. Since auction sites do not allow you to drive the car off the lot, you'll need to hire a towing service or transport company, or rent a trailer to pick up the vehicle. Finally, review title requirements and local DMV regulations to understand the process for registering and legally driving your salvage vehicle. Autoinsurance.org makes shopping for car insurance hassle-free. In just a few minutes, you can access personalized quotes, compare top providers, and lock in the most affordable rate for your vehicle and driving history. Understanding auto insurance for salvage vehicles. Salvage vehicles come with unique insurance challenges, as many insurance companies refuse to offer full coverage due to safety and liability concerns. A salvage title indicates that the car was previously declared a total loss by an insurance company, often due to accidents, floods, or theft recovery. If the vehicle is properly repaired and passes a state inspection, it may be rebranded as a rebuilt title, making it legally drivable again. However, even with a rebuilt title, these vehicles often have higher insurance rates, limited coverage options, and lower resale value, as buyers and insurers consider them riskier than clean title cars. Looking for a more budget-friendly auto insurance plan? Autoinsurance.org helps you find the best deals by comparing quotes from trusted providers, ensuring you get the coverage you need at the lowest possible price. Criteria for classifying vehicles as salvaged. There is a difference between salvaged and totaled vehicles. You may hear them interchangeably, but they're not quite the same. Typically, salvaged vehicles were once considered totaled in an accident, but not all totaled vehicles are salvaged. Salvaged cars are usually those which have been repaired after significant damage. This damage could come from various things, such as collision with another vehicle or object, flood damage, fire damage, heavy vandalism, hail damage, recovered stolen vehicle. Details of vehicle titles by title type. A clean title means the vehicle has never sustained major damage, making it easier to finance, fully insure, and resell at a high value. However, these cars are the most expensive upfront. A salvage title is given to vehicles with severe damage exceeding their value, making them cheap to buy but illegal to drive until repaired. They cannot be insured, and repairs can be costly. A rebuilt title is assigned to previously salvaged cars that have been repaired in past inspection. While they are cheaper than clean title vehicles and legally drivable, they often have limited insurance options and lower resale value. Beware of title washing. One major risk when buying a salvage car is title washing, which occurs when a vehicle's history is fraudulently altered to hide past damage. Always check the National Motor Vehicle Title Information System before purchasing a salvage car to ensure the title's legitimacy. Buying a car directly from an insurance company can be a cost-effective way to get a vehicle, but it requires research and caution. You can save big on your next vehicle purchase by following these 5 steps: researching auctions, registering, finding a car, bidding wisely, and securing insurance. Visit autoinsurance.org today to quickly compare quotes from multiple providers and discover the most competitive auto insurance rates available in your area. Finding affordable coverage has never been easier. Your path to smarter car purchases. Buying a car directly from an insurance company offers a budget-friendly alternative, especially for those open to salvaged or totaled vehicles. Understanding the potential impact on your auto insurance premium, knowing how to buy vehicles from insurance companies, and being cautious about title washing are key for a successful purchase. Auctions remain a primary avenue for finding damaged cars sold by insurance companies. For those wondering, where do insurance companies sell damaged cars? Auctions remain a primary avenue. While challenges like limited coverage and transportation logistics exist, careful planning makes the process worthwhile. Start comparing insurance rates today to protect your investment and maximize your savings. Visit autoinsurance.org today to start comparing rates. Just enter your zip code to find the best coverage options designed for your needs and start saving now without missing out on great deals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click that like button. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on all our helpful insurance news and deals so you can save money on your insurance premiums. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more tips on saving money. Thanks for watching. Drive safely and we'll see you at the next video.